Welcome to our in-depth look at the Pueblo Bonito Mazatlán Beach Resort, a stunning all-inclusive getaway nestled in the heart of Mexico's Golden Zone. This luxurious beachfront paradise offers a perfect blend of comfort, elegance, and breathtaking ocean views that will leave you in awe. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into everything this remarkable resort has to offer. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? The Pueblo Bonito Mazatlán boasts a wide array of beautifully renovated suites that cater to every type of traveler. From cozy junior suites to spacious family suites and lavish penthouse suites, there's something for everyone. Picture yourself waking up to the sound of gentle waves, stepping out onto your private balcony, and being greeted by panoramic views of the sparkling Pacific Ocean. It's not just a dream, it's your daily reality at this resort. Each suite is a haven of comfort, featuring plush feather-top beds, fully equipped kitchenettes, and elegant furnishings that create a home-away-from-home atmosphere. The recent renovations have ensured that every room is up to date with modern amenities while maintaining that classic Mexican charm. And let's not forget about the size. With suites ranging from 575 to over 750 square feet, you'll have plenty of space to stretch out and unwind after a day of sun-soaked adventures. Now let's talk about food because, let's face it, that's one of the best parts of any vacation. The Pueblo Bonito Mazatlán doesn't disappoint when it comes to culinary delights. With 7 distinct dining options, your taste buds are in for a treat. Craving some Northern Italian cuisine? Head over to Angelo's restaurant for a sophisticated dining experience. In the mood for fresh seafood with a view? Cilantro's restaurant has got you covered with its beachfront location and mouth-watering dishes. But wait, there's more! La Palomas offers themed nights and international cuisine, perfect for those who love variety. And for a truly special experience, don't miss the legendary Champagne Sunday brunch at La Cordillera. Trust me, it's worth setting an alarm for. Of course, no beach resort would be complete without poolside bars, and the Cascade Bar and Sunset Grill deliver with refreshing cocktails and light bites that'll keep you cool under the Mexican sun. Speaking of pools, let's dive into the aquatic offerings at Pueblo Bonito Mazatlán. The resort boasts 2 large swimming pools, complete with swim-up bars for those who take their relaxation seriously. There's also an adults-only pool for those seeking a more tranquil atmosphere, and a children's pool for the little ones to splash around in. And if you're in the mood for some bubbles, there's even a hot tub where you can soak your cares away. But the real star of the show is the beach. With 350 feet of pristine sandy shoreline at your doorstep, you'll have plenty of space to soak up the sun, build sandcastles, or take a romantic stroll at sunset. The resort provides everything you need for a perfect beach day, including loungers, umbrellas, and attentive beach service. And for the more adventurous types, there are water sports like snorkeling, kayaking, and paddleboarding available. Just imagine gliding across the crystal-clear waters, the warm sun on your face, and the gentle sea breeze in your hair. Pure bliss. Now, let's talk about activities because Pueblo Bonito Mazatlán knows how to keep its guests entertained. The resort offers a smorgasbord of options to suit all interests and energy levels. Fancy a workout? Hit the fully equipped fitness center or join one of the aquarobics classes in the pool. Want to learn something new? Try your hand at a cooking class or brush up on your Spanish. Nature lovers can explore the botanical gardens, while culture enthusiasts can join a tour of the local historical sites. And let's not forget about the kids. The resort's Kids Club is a paradise for the little ones, offering a range of supervised activities that will keep them entertained for hours. From arts and crafts to beach games, your children will have the time of their lives while you enjoy some well-deserved adult time. It's a win-win situation for the whole family. For those seeking ultimate relaxation, the spa at Pueblo Bonito Mazatlán is an absolute must-visit. Voted one of the top 5 best spas in the world, this oasis of tranquility offers a range of holistic treatments that will leave you feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to take on the world. Indulge in a soothing massage, pamper yourself with a beauty treatment, or simply unwind in the sauna or steam room. Whatever you choose, you're guaranteed to emerge feeling like a new person. Now, let's venture beyond the resort because Mazatlan has so much to offer. The Pueblo Bonito is perfectly situated to explore the best of this charming coastal city. Take a stroll through Old Mazatlan, where colorful colonial buildings line the streets and the sound of mariachi music fills the air. Visit the stunning Mazatlan Cathedral, a masterpiece of architecture that will take your breath away. Or dive into the local culture at the Mazatlan Museum of History. And if you're feeling adventurous, the resort can arrange excursions to nearby attractions, ensuring you make the most of your Mexican getaway. But what really sets Pueblo Bonito Mazatlan apart is its commitment to guest satisfaction. The staff here goes above and beyond to ensure every visitor has a memorable stay. From the moment you check in to the second you, reluctantly, check out, you'll be treated like royalty. It's no wonder the resort consistently receives rave reviews and high ratings across all platforms. Speaking of reviews, let's hear what some recent guests have to say. One visitor called it the gem of Mazatlan, praising the impeccable cleanliness and friendly service. Another guest raved about the Pueblo Muy Bonito, highlighting the stunning ocean views and delicious food. And countless others have echoed the sentiment that this is the place to come vacation here. Of course, no resort is perfect, and some guests have mentioned that they'd love to see more inclusive activities included in the package. But with an overall rating of 9 out of 10 on Booking.com and a TripAdvisor ranking of number 1 in Mazatlan, it's clear that Pueblo Bonito is doing something right. So, what makes Pueblo Bonito Mazatlan truly unique? It's the perfect blend of luxury and authenticity. While you'll enjoy all the modern amenities and comforts you'd expect from a high-end resort, you'll also experience the warmth and charm of traditional Mexican hospitality. It's a place where you can sip a margarita by the pool in the morning, explore a colonial town in the afternoon, and dance the night away under the stars. And let's not forget about the resort's commitment to sustainability. Pueblo Bonito takes its environmental responsibilities seriously, with initiatives like water purification throughout the property. So you can enjoy your vacation knowing that you're staying at a resort that cares about its impact on the beautiful surroundings it calls home. As we wrap up our tour of Pueblo Bonito Mazatlan Beach Resort, it's clear that this is more than just a place to stay. It's a destination in itself. Whether you're seeking a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or a solo adventure, this resort has everything you need for an unforgettable experience. From the moment you arrive, you'll be enveloped in luxury, warmth, and the unmistakable magic of Mexico's Pacific coast. So, are you ready to experience the Pueblo Bonito Mazatlan for yourself? Pack your sunscreen, bring your sense of adventure, and prepare for a vacation that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Trust us, once you've experienced the beauty, comfort, and hospitality of this extraordinary resort, you'll be planning your return trip before you've even left. See you in Mazatlan. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.